Welcome to Rajco Technologies. Before starting the topic, please subscribe my YouTube channel. In this channel, there are many useful Oracle, Unix, Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica ISS IDMC, Snowflake, Python, and many other courses. Videos are available. You can watch the videos, practice them. While practicing, if you like them, please press a like button and comment on the videos. And we have a website called rajinformatica.com. In this website, we have many materials like PowerCenter, Informatica, Unix, Oracle, Snowflake, Python, and many interview questions like PowerCenter, Oracle, ISCS, Snowflake, Python, and many courses, interview questions and material available. Please browse my channel, rajinformatica.com, for many other courses. We have been in this industry from 3 years and we have completed almost 25 batches of Informatica, and we have started Snowflake training, Python full stack training, and we'll be starting all the cloud and all the other trainings. You please keep browsing my rajinformatica.com channel for more courses, and please subscribe my channel.
Good morning, everyone. Able to hear me? Please reply in the Zoom chat. Could you please reply able to hear me? Okay, before starting the session, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. So I am sending you the link of my YouTube channel in the Zoom chat. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, Raj Informatica. Okay, in this YouTube channel, there are many useful Informatica PowerCenter, ISCS, IDMC, Informatica Cloud, and also Databricks, data engineering, AWS, DevOps, Python, Oracle, Unix, Snowflake, Power BI. So many useful videos are available. So you please watch them and like if you like the videos, and also please comment on the videos. And also we have a website called rajinformatica.com. So in this website we have several interview questions, PowerCenter, Snowflake, Oracle, ISS, IDMC, and materials, Oracle, Unix, Informatica PowerCenter, ISS materials available. So please go through them. And also Rajco Technologies having different courses like Java, Azure, data engineering and Databricks, Power BI, AWS DevOps, Snowflake, Python, Informatica PowerCenter, IDMC, Tableau, and also Python for AI ChatGPT. Okay. And there is an offer going on today. So please wait till the end of the session. So whoever joined today, so there is an offer going on. So we'll reveal the offer at the end of the session. So meanwhile, please provide your mobile numbers. Please provide your WhatsApp numbers in the Zoom chat so that we will add you in the project WhatsApp group. So just hold on 1 second. Let's start the session. Hold on 1 minute, please. So meanwhile, please provide your phone numbers in the Zoom chat. Okay. So just hold on 1 minute, please.
I want to introduce myself. I'm Nataraj. People call me Raj. I am from Hindupur, Andhra Pradesh. So I have around 13 years experience into software industry. So I worked in several companies like HCL, Capgemini, Dell, HTC, etc. So in these 4 or 5 companies, I have almost worked 13 years on several Informatica tools like I have worked on Informatica PowerCenter, I have worked on Informatica ISS, IDMC, I have worked on MDM, TDQ, IDQ, TDM, okay, ILM. There are many tools I have worked in these 13 years. Okay, so I am going to teach you here Informatica PowerCenter. Around 15,000 people. Uh, I have given training to 15,000 people online. Okay, so whoever attended the live sessions daily, whoever practiced on daily basis, they all got the jobs. Okay, so now let's start our Informatica PowerCenter online training session 1. Okay, so now the timings are morning 9:30 to 11:30 daily basis. Okay, so morning 9:30 to 11:30 on daily basis. We have hold on a second. Yeah, we have the daily sessions. First 2 weeks will be alternative sessions. So that means next session will be on Monday. Next session will be on Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. After 2 weeks, it will be daily session. Okay, that's how we will deal with. Okay, so as I told you, okay, as I told you, our timings are 9:30 11:30. So once you join the session, you need to install Oracle and Informatica in your laptops. I hope everyone is having laptops. Do you have laptops, everyone? Can you reply, please? Everyone are having laptops? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you need to install Oracle 11G and Informatica 10.2 2.20. These two software you need to install. So my team will send. This is our official number. Okay, 9880490148. Okay, WhatsApp and calls. You can WhatsApp or you can call. If you want to only call, okay, 8105296858. Only calls, no WhatsApp. Okay, okay, no WhatsApp. 9113861544. This is also only calls, no WhatsApp. Only calls, no WhatsApp. Okay, so you can either WhatsApp to this number or call to this number, or if you want to only call, you can call to any of these numbers. These are Raj Cloud Technologies official numbers. Okay, so my team will send you installation links, software installation links, and also step-by-step video, which I have prepared. You can go through that video and you can install Informatica by Monday. You need to install. Try to install by Monday. Okay. So a step-by-step installation video will be given to you. By watching the video, you can install easily. While you are installing, if you get any doubt, then always WhatsApp to this number. Okay. So my technical team will help you. Yes, please. Yeah. So the system requirements. The system requirements are you should have at least 6 GB RAM, okay, and 150 GB hard disk available. If you have 4 GB RAM, then take it to laptop shop and make it as 8 GB, or you can make 6 GB also. 8 GB will be faster than 6 GB. So minimum is 6 GB and maximum anything is fine. Okay, so that is how you need to. So that's how you need to. These are the system requirements. It should be 60-bit, 64-bit operating system, and any processor can work. i3, i7, Ryzen. Windows 8, it will be slow. If you have Windows 10 or 11, it will be speeder. Informatica will be speeder. If you have Windows 10 or 11, okay. So if you have 8, take to the laptop shop and ask them to upgrade to Windows 10 or 11, okay. And if you have 512 SSD or 256 SSD, that will be faster, okay. That will be faster. So this is about the system requirement. As I told you, first 1 week or 2 weeks, those will be lifetime. That means the classes will be alternative. So day by day, one day after one day, the sessions will be there. So the today is a session. Next session is on Monday. Next session is on Tuesday. Next session is on Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. After 2 weeks, it will be daily sessions. After 2 weeks, so it will be daily sessions. Okay. Yeah. So now, after each live sessions, you will get recordings. The recordings will be lifetime. So you no need to worry. Yes, please. The recordings will be a lifetime. Okay. Hold on a second. Just hold on a second. 1 second, guys, please. So what I was saying, the recordings will be lifetime. Okay. So you no need to worry. After each live session, the recording will be available for you. Okay. So now, if you want to get a job easily, so till now many people got the jobs in from our training, and still the people are getting the jobs. Whoever trying effectively, whoever trying hard, they are getting the jobs. Okay. So if you need a job, you need to follow these steps. What are those? Number 1, attend all live sessions. Number 2, listen carefully. Number 3, understand them. Number 4, practice on daily basis. Number 5, attend the interviews, then get the job. This is what you need to do it. So you have to attend the sessions on daily basis and you have to practice them as much as possible. Okay. So on daily basis, you will get the material link and you will get the recording of the days. Okay. So total 35 to 36 sessions will be there. The duration is 45 days. Okay. You don't need to worry about it. Okay. Yeah. So as I told you, the 2-hour session daily, you have to listen carefully whatever I am telling. You no need to note down. You no need to type it parallelly with me. You no need to do anything. The only thing is just you need to do is listen carefully whichever I am telling. In these 2 hours, whatever I am telling, just listen with concentration. Always join the meeting from laptop only. Do not join from mobile. Okay. So if you join from mobile, the screen will be very less and you will not understand what I am saying, and these also not visible at all. Okay. So as I told you, this is Informatica Power Center job based online training. Okay. So the duration is 70 to 80 hours. Okay. So 45 days. Now what and all I will cover in this training? I will cover data warehousing basics, Oracle SQL basics, whichever is required for Informatica. Informatica PowerCenter basics to advanced, Unix basic commands, mini project, resume preparation, interview questions, and job assistance. Job assistance in the sense how to apply for the job, where to apply for the job, how to get the, how to, okay, yeah. So how to crack the interview,
These and all I will cover. Okay. Yes, please. So now, as I told you, now, as I told you, after the session, each session, don't watch the recording and practice. So if you first listen carefully in the session, 1 second, please. So, sorry guys. First listen the session carefully. Okay. Then without watching the video, try to practice it. If you watch and practice 1,000 times, there is no use. But if you practice one time without watching video, that is very useful. So try to watch the video. So try to practice the video without watching the video. If you stuck somewhere, then watch the video. Until and unless, don't open the video. Try to practice like that one. Whatever you remember in the class. I told you, right? Okay. You listen carefully. Try to understand. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay. And practice on today's things. Practice today only. And don't delay. Okay. So if you have any doubts, so our WhatsApp number 9880490148. I told you already. This is WhatsApp and calls. And you can call to this number also. Only calls, no WhatsApp. Only calls, no WhatsApp. Okay. Now, so we will, whoever paid the full fee, we will be adding you to the WhatsApp group. Okay. So you can ask your doubts in the WhatsApp group and you can help, you can take the help from each other, the other people in the group. So for that, you need to pay the full fee, that is 15,000. Whoever paid less fee, they will be added after the full payment. Okay. This group, WhatsApp group, will be very effective. If you ask any questions, you will get a reply and they will answer you, or if nobody answered, I will answer you. So you don't need to worry. So I told you already, if you want to get a job, the only shortcut is hard work. There is no shortcut for hard work. Okay. So you have to do the hard work. Listen carefully, practice, practice, practice. How much ever you can practice. How much time I want to practice daily? Practice 1 hour, practice 2 hours. Okay. Practice 5 hours. If you have, practice 10 hours if you have. How much ever free time you have, practice as much as you can. Okay. So if you practice, Informatica will be easy. Otherwise, you will not remember the steps. So try to practice daily 5 to 6 hours if you have time. Okay. So now in our training, we are dealing mainly with 3 subjects. One is Informatica, one is Unix, one is Oracle. So here the major part is Informatica and SQL also required. I'll tell most of the SQL concepts. Unix, only basic commands is required. Unix not required full knowledge. So in these 45 days, we will learn 3 subjects. One is major subject, the other 2 are not major. Okay. So I told you, right? So maybe you are all came from a background, like you are a BE background or BTech background, you are an MBA background, you are an MCA background, BSCA background, BSc background, BCom background, BA background, BBM background. So whatever the background you have, okay, whatever the college part passed out, or whatever the course you completed in your academic, at least you will be having 15 plus subjects. So if you are a BE BTech students, you will be having 20 plus subjects. If you are a MC MBA student, you will be having 20 plus subjects. If you are a degree student, 15 plus subjects will be there. When you are able to listen, understand, practice, write the exam, and crack, and you got all, some got 80%, 70%, 60%, like that, you got all distinctions. When you are able to learn 15 plus subjects, why can't you learn 3 subjects? Okay. So just 3 subjects.
Informatica, Oracle, Unix. Okay, so those are very easy. I'll make them easy for sure. Okay, you don't need to worry about it. Now, okay, I told you you will get a job only when you take seriously. If you don't take seriously, nobody can be responsible. You have to take serious first. So you have to attend all the live sessions without fail. You have to practice them on daily basis. Now next. So you are having fear. All of ours is having fear, like I don't have communication skills, I don't get a job. I have a career gap, I will not get a job. I have education gap, I will not get a job. I don't know Oracle Informatica, I will not get job. First, leave the negative things in your mind. Be positive. Okay. So if you don't have communication skills, if you don't have a communication skill, okay, or if you don't know English, no need to worry. You no need to learn USA English. Just Indian simple English is required. However, I am speaking, that much if you speak, that is more than enough. So how to improve your communication skills? English, you cannot speak English by writing it, reading it, or watching it. No, you have to speak up. Select any of the means in your family or friends. Okay, there will be any friend who knows English better than you. Try to speak with him or her on daily basis. How much ever you speaks, that much faster you will be good at English. Yes, English also important. English also important. Okay. So you no need to worry. Whatever the English you know, try to speak with them, and ask them to correct your sentence. Within 1 month, if you speak daily, you can speak like me. However, I am speaking, I am just speaking a simple English, which can be understandable by everyone. My English is like Telugu only. My mother tongue is Telugu. So my English also will be like Telugu only. I will be speaking very simple English. Okay. So if you wanted this kind of communication, you need to speak on daily basis. There is no other way. You need to speak up. Okay. So speak up as much as you can. Yes, please. So that is how it is. Now let's go to our actual topics. Okay. Let's go to our actual topics. Yeah. So as I told you, we are all learning here Informatica PowerCenter. So before learning Informatica PowerCenter, we must learn Oracle, a database. We must learn a database called Oracle SQL. Oracle, in that SQL also one part of it. Okay, so Informatica PowerCenter is an ETL tool. What is ETL? I tell. It is an ETL tool. So to learn any ETL tool, you must require database knowledge. That is Oracle knowledge or any other database knowledge. So now, first we will discuss with the database. Before going to database, what is called data? Anyone please? What is called data? Anyone quickly reply in the chat? So data is a collection of information. Data is a collection of information. So what are the examples of data? What are the examples of data? Examples of data is retail data, healthcare data. Okay. Retail data, healthcare data, educational data, financial data. Yes, please. Educational data, financial data. Banking data, financial data, both are same. Government data, okay, entertainment data. So these are all different forms of data. So wherever you go nowadays, everywhere the system will be there. So if you see, I passed out my MCA in 2008, okay, from Hyderabad. Okay. So at the time or before that, suppose when I was completed my degree uh, around 2005, I have completed my degree in 2005. At the time, in banks, in medical shops, or in retail shops, supermarkets, they are not using any system. They are writing down in the book. The time computers were not there in 2000. Not it was there, but not used in all the offices. Nowadays, everywhere you go to any shop, you go to a grocery shop, he will be having a system. You go to a pharmacy or a medical shop, he will be having a system. You go to college, he will be having a computer. You go to movie, he will be having a computer. You go to any government office, he will be having a computer. So what they will do, they will enter the data. So if you go to hospital, that is healthcare data. If you go to supermarket, it is retail data. If you go to bank, that is financial data. If you go to government office, that is government data. If you go to movie, that is entertainment data. So data is very important. So data is collection of information, customer information. So now where this data will store? Where this data will store? Where this data will store? Where the data will store? Data will store in database. So now database. What is database? Database is a collection of data. Database is a collection of data. Now what are the examples of databases? Examples of databases? Same. Examples of databases are same. So these are the examples of databases. So where this data will store? Data will store in the database. So what is database? Collection of data. What are the examples of database? The examples of database is retail database, healthcare database, education database, financial database, government database, entertainment database, and many more, etc. etc. So data is a collection of information. Database is a collection of data. Now, how this data will store? In which format? In which format data will store? In database. In which format? What format it will show? It will store. Anyone, please? So data can be stored in two ways, either in a table format or in a file format. Data can be stored in two ways. One is table format, one is file format. First we'll deal with the table. Okay. So what is the table? What is the table? What is table means? What is the table? Table is a collection of data in the form of rows and columns. So table is a collection of data in the form of rows and columns. So how they look like this? Please see. For example, I have a student table. The table is students. In this I have the columns, student name, I have it, student ID, student name, city, state, marks. Okay. So now this table is having rows and columns. You see, please. The vertical lines are called columns. These are called columns, also called fields, also called attributes. The vertical lines are called columns. And this is a column header, column names, student ID, student name, city, state, marks are the column names. So inside this data, inside this table, data will store. So if the customer is the college, in the college clerk will enter student ID 10, name Raj, Bangalore, KAR, marks 100, like this. So they will enter the data. Okay. They will enter the data. Yes, please. Okay. So a table is a collection of data in the form of rows and columns. Okay. So you can insert one more row. As many rows you can insert. Okay. As many rows as you insert. 150, for example. Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? What is the table? Table is a collection of rows and columns. So these vertical lines, student ID, student name, city, state, marks are the columns. There are 5 columns and 2 rows. There are 5 columns and 2 rows, correct? Am I right, guys? Everyone? Yes or no, please? Yeah. Okay. So now we have seen what is data. Data is a collection of information. What is database? Database is a, what is the database? Database is a collection of data. Okay. So database will store the data. And as I told you, data can be, that is database, data can be stored in 2 formats. One is table format, one is file format. Table is a collection of rows and columns. So the vertical lines are called columns. These are all columns or fields or attributes. Or fields or attributes. Then these are called rows or records. The horizontal lines are called rows or records. Rows or records. Understood, everyone? Are you clear till here, please? Everyone, are you clear? Okay. Now, in our system, where these tables will store or where these database will store, how to access the database, how to open the database, how to insert the tables in the database. So as I told you, data is a collection of information, and database is a collection of data. Database is a collection of data. Now, how this database will stored into our system? How? By using a database software. You must have a database software. Yes, please. Or a database server. What we must require? We must require database software or database server. So now, what are the database softwares you know? Can anyone tell? What are the database softwares you know? What are the database softwares? Oracle, SQL Server, SQL Server, Teradata, MySQL, etc., etc. Snowflake, MongoDB, Cassandra, Greenplum. There are many database softwares are there. In this, the most oldest software is Oracle. And the most powerful software is Oracle. Nowadays also, people are using Oracle. So if you want to see the table, or if you want to create a table, if you want to insert the data into database, you must require a database server or a database software. Without database software, you cannot store the tables. So that is how it is. Are you clear, everyone? So if you have database software, then if you have a database software, then you can easily access the tables. See, now I installed Oracle and I installed Oracle SQL Developer. Okay, I'm just opening Oracle SQL Developer. One second, please. Just a second. Yeah. So this is the database software. Oracle SQL Developer is the database software. So you must install this in your system before you deal with the database. Without a database software or a database server, you cannot get the details whatever you want. Now see, I will show you the table. If you see here, so now you see tables, customer table. So this is how a table looks like. This table is inside the Oracle software. Okay. So did you understand, everyone, what is database and how the data will store? What is the table? Are you able to clear? Are you able to understand? Everyone, are you able to understand? Okay, fine. Now, first of all, why this is required? What is the use? What is the use? I have a data, I have database, I have everything I have. But what is the use or where we will use this data or Oracle or Informatica? Where we will use? This is very important topic now. We are all learning Informatica. After learning Informatica, where you will use this? How you will use this? That is very important. What is the usage of Informatica or Oracle or data? Okay. Now for that, I will give a good example. Okay. Fine. So is everyone knows Big Bazaar? What is Big Bazaar? Do you know Big Bazaar, please? Everyone? What is Big Bazaar? It's a supermarket, right? Ultimately, it's a supermarket. That means it's a retail supermarket. So mainly Big Bazaar is for groceries, right? Groceries, fruits, vegetables, mainly, correct? And other things will be there. Okay, fine. So I am the CEO of Big Bazaar, for example. I am Raj. I am CEO, owner of the Big Bazaar. I am the owner of the Big Bazaar. Suppose there is a branch in Bangalore. One branch is there in Indiranagar. So I have a Bangalore Indiranagar branch, only one branch throughout India, and I have a Big Bazaar. At the end of the day, so what is it? Is a retail supermarket? It's a business, right? It's a retail business. Big Bazaar is a retail business, correct? Yes or no, please? What is Big Bazaar? It's a retail business. So now, if I have a business, at the end of the day, what I will see? I have a Big Bazaar business. At the end of the day, what I wanted to see? From my business, if I have a business, what I will see at the end of the day? Quickly, please. What I will see at the end of the day if I have a business? If I have a business, I will see what is the total sales today. Total sales. And what are the expenses of today? Whether I got profit or whether I got loss. Correct? What are the total sales today? What are the expenses? What is the profit I got? What is the loss I got? I will see. Fine. Now, as a customer, I will go to Big Bazaar. I'll go to Big Bazaar. I'll take the trolley. I'll put all the groceries I wanted in the trolley. And I will go to the cashier. Now what cashier will do? Cashier will take each item. He will scan the barcodes. Once he scan all the barcodes, all the items, he will press enter or print. When he press print, he will get the bill in the printer. Bill print he will get. Internally, this data will go and store in the database. So in Big Bazaar system, they already installed Oracle or any other software. So what if I go to the cashier and if I give money to him, what is that called? Suppose I'll go to cashier, I'll take the groceries and I will give the money to the cashier. So what is that means? That process is called transaction, correct? I will do one transaction, yes or no? I will do one transaction. Suppose there are today 100 people entered into Big Bazaar. So there are 100 transactions, correct? Everyone, yes or no? If Big Bazaar from morning to evening, 100 people entered. They all purchased different items. So they all did the transactions. Hold on a second. Yes, please. What is it called? Transaction. Okay. Now, whenever these 100 customers will go to the cashier, when the cashier get the print, internally these 100 transactions will go and sit in the table in the database of Big Bazaar. This data is called transactional data. What is this 100 transactions are called? Ultimately, it's a data. Transactional data. Transactional data. This transactional data will go to where? To the database, to the table. So that is called transactional table. Okay, transactional table. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. Clear about it? Hold on a second. Okay, so daily the transactional data will go and store in the transactional database, transactional tables or transactional database. Okay. So now, after 1 day, I will see total sales. Big Bazaar owner will see today total sales happened 10 lakhs. In that expenses, what are the expenses of Big Bazaar? Rent of the building, maintenance of the building, employee salary of that date, cost price of the goods, all those things are called expenses. I got expenses of 8 lakhs. Now what is my profit? What is my profit? 10 lakh minus 8 lakh equal to 2 lakh. I got today how much profit? 2 lakhs. For example, tomorrow I got 5 lakh sales. I got 8 lakh expenses. Then I got 2 lakh loss, correct? I got 3 lakh loss. Yes, please. Everyone, yes or no? Yes, guys. So ultimately what I want daily basis sales report I want profit or loss report, correct? Profit or loss report, correct? For the Big Bazaar, what I want? For a Big Bazaar, as a Big Bazaar owner, because I have a business, I want to see today's sales report, today's profit or loss report. Like that, so what I want daily report, correct? Do I need weekly report? Do I need weekly report? Do I need monthly report? Do I need quarterly report? And yearly report, correct? Yes, please. This is what I want. Ultimately, I need these reports. Yes or no, please? Is it right, everyone? Okay. I need yearly report. Okay, fine. For example, now after few years in Bangalore, there are in Bangalore, okay, there are how many big bazaars? 10 big 10 branches. In Bangalore, there are 10 branches. Okay. And in Chennai, I have 15 branches. In Hyderabad, I have 20 branches. In Pune, I have 5 branches. In Mumbai, I have 20 branches. Like that, I have different branches. Now, I need, when I have like this, okay, I need these things also, correct? I need these kind of reports also. What kind of reports? I want branch-wise report, correct? Do I need it? Do I need the branch-wise report daily basis? Branch-wide reports, correct? The pins in Bangalore, there are 10 branches. Indranagar branch, how much? Okay. Jayanagar branch, how much? JP Nagar branch, how much I need? And I need city-wise report, correct? City-wide report. Total Bangalore, how much I have? I got. Total Chennai, I have. Next. Statewide. Throughout Karnataka, how much? Throughout Tamil Nadu, how much? Then zonal wide. Zonal wide means South zone, North zone, East zone, West zone. Then country wide. Correct? So for any business, these two are important, correct? For any business, whatever the business we have, if we have these reports, then only our business will improve, correct? Yes or no, please? Is that right? Everyone, quickly guys. Then who will generate this report? Whose work is to generate this report? That we will see now. Okay. So ultimately, every business needs reports. Banking or retail or healthcare or entertainment or whatever it is. Ultimately, they need a report. So how to get the report? Who will give these reports? There, we ETL people will go into the picture. Now please observe this image. Okay. Please observe this image. Hold on a second, please. So I have Big Bazaar. Okay. I have data. Correct. I have customer data. Yes or no, please? I am having Big Bazaar. I am a owner of Big Bazaar. Daily customers will enter. They will do the transactions. And my cashier will press enter. It will store in the table. It will store in the database. That is called transactional data or transactional tables. I have the tables data. This data is called OLTP. Online transactional data, online transactional processing. What is OLTP? Online transactional processing. I have the data. Suppose I have 50 tables. In the 50 tables, I have data, customer data or transactional data I have. Now I want someone to generate the report, correct? Yes or no, please? I need some person to generate the report. So who will generate the report? As a Big Bazaar owner, I will contact to Accenture. So Accenture is having 30 years experience to generate these reports. This is a software company. I will contact to the software company and I will tell them that I will give the data to you. You give me the report. I will pay you. You give me the reports whatever I want. As per my business requirement, you give the reports. Who told? As a Big Bazaar owner, I contacted to Accenture and I given money to Accenture and I will ask them to generate the reports based on the data what I have. So this data is called raw data. So this is a transactional data. Raw data means it's just what I can say, simple data, I can say, transactional data. Now, Accenture will take this data. So now, for Accenture, Big Bazaar is giving a project, correct? For Accenture, Accenture is handling a Big Bazaar project. What is the project purpose? Accenture will take the money from the Big Bazaar owner and he will take the data. Accenture will take the data from the Big Bazaar and they will generate the reports. So Big Bazaar is a client for Accenture. Big Bazaar is a customer for Accenture. Big Bazaar is a user or a stakeholder for Accenture, correct? Is it right? Who is the client for Accenture? Who is the customer for Accenture? Who is the user for Accenture? Who is the stakeholder for Accenture? Who is the guys? Big Bazaar. Big Bazaar is a customer. Because Big Bazaar is giving the business to Accenture. Big Bazaar is paying the money to Accenture to get the reports. Now Accenture, what he will do? Accenture will hire ETL developers like us. Accenture will hire ETL developers like us. We ETL developers, what we will do? We will extract the data from the OLTP tables, modify by using Informatica. We will use Informatica tool. We will modify the data based on, we will modify the data and we will load the data. And from the loaded data, the reports will generate. So what we are all ETL developers, Informatica developers. ETL means extract, transform, load. So what as a, so BigBazaar has given the data and also business to Accenture. Accenture will pay the salaries to their employees. They hire the employees and they will get the work done. How? As a ETL developer, I will extract the data from OLTP tables and I will transform it by using Informatica and I will load it to target, or I will load it to OLAP analytical data. Okay. So 1 second, let me open that also. You see this, please. Ultimately, what we need the reports to be generated. As the ETL developer, in BigBazaar, there are 6 tables are there, 9 tables are there. So these 9 tables are from BigBazaar. What are those called? Transactional tables, or raw data, or OLTP data, or source data, source tables, source database, all are same. As the Informatica developer, by using Informatica tool, I will extract the data or read the data or get the data and modify as per the business requirement and load it to target analytical data, load it to some tables. These are called OLAP. This is OLTP. This is OLAP. OLTP means online transactional processing. OLAP means online analytical processing. From OLAP, reporting people means who are working on Power BI, who are working on Tableau, who are working on Cognos, they will generate the reports. Okay. So ultimately what we are doing as an Informatica developer, we are generating, we are extracting, transforming and loading the data. Reporting people will generate the reports. Did you understand, everyone? Are you clear, guys? Everyone? Understood? Okay, fine. If you did not still understand, I will tell you a simple scenario. Okay. I'll tell you a simple scenario. See, please. For example, I want to build a house. I have 1 crore rupees. I want to build a house. What I will do? I'll go and I'll take the land first, correct? I'll get the site. Suppose I'll take 4,000 square feet land. In this 4,000 square feet land, I want to build a house. So will I only build it? Will I go and take the bricks, take the cement, and will I build myself? What I will do? Will I build myself, my home? Who will build? Who will build? Guys, if I have 1 crore rupees, will I myself build the home or will I give to anyone? I will give to the contractor or builder, correct? I will can't. So this is me. This is me. I have money, I have land. I will give to the builder. I will give the money to the builder, correct? I'll give to the builder. I'll get a contract. What I want ultimately, what is my goal? I want a 3-storied building. I want a building with 3 floors, with painting done, with interior done, with everything, plumbing, electrical, everything should be done. That is my requirement. Okay. So I have 1 crore rupees. I'll give this 1 crore rupees to builder. What builder will do? What builder will do? Builder will purchase the raw material, correct? Suppose I have the raw material. For example, I have the raw material. In out of 1 crore, for 20 lakhs, I purchased raw material means bricks, cement, sand, iron, all I purchased. For 20 lakh rupees, I purchased all the raw materials. I given the raw materials to the builder and the money to the builder. Now what builder will do? Builder will hire the worker, correct? Builder will hire the workers. Yes or no, please? Will the builder will build the building? No. Builder will hire the workers. You have to reply quickly, please. When I ask a question, you have to reply in the chat. When I ask a question, you have to reply in the chat. So, builder will hire the workers. And builder will give a plan to workers. What workers will do? Workers will give a good shape to the raw material, correct? They will take bricks, sand, cement, concrete, whatever iron they will take, and they will give a good shape to building, correct? Yes or no, please? Is that right what I am saying? So in this case, I am the big bazaar. I want a building. I want the reports. Big bazaar want the reports. I want a building. What I have? I have raw material and money. What Big Bazaar have? Big Bazaar is having data and money. So Big Bazaar has given data and money to Accenture. I given data, I given raw material and also money to builder. So Accenture has hired ETL developers. Okay. So builder has hired workers. ETL developers will take the data, extract the data, transform or modify, and will give a good shape to data. That is called analytical data based on the requirement. Same way, workers will take the raw materials, modify the raw materials, and give a good shape to building. Clear, please? Are you clear? So I am in this phase. So only the building got constructed. Only the data got good shape. But building, just building is there. Can I live in that building? Without interiors, painting, can I live without painting and no, right? Same way. If you give this analytical data to the customer, they will not understand. We need to give good shape to this data, means reports. Same way, this building, what they will do for the building, they will paint it, they will do the interior, they will do the tiles work, they will do the plumbing work, they will do the electrical work, everything they will give a good shaped building to the customer. Same ETL developers are doing where? Till here. Our work is what? Extract, transform, load. That's it. Once we load the data to target tables or OLAP tables, reporting people will generate the reports. So what? Ultimately, what is the use of Informatica now? Why we are using Informatica? What is the use of Informatica? To extract, transformed. Yes, please. Extract, transform, load. Extract what? Data. Which data? Transactional data. Extract transactional data where? From source tables or transactional tables. Transform the data. Transform, extract or read or get the data. Transform the data. Transform means modify the data as per the business requirement. And load or write or put the data to analytical tables. Also called OLAP tables. These are called OLTP tables. From these OLAP tables, reporting developers who are working on Power BI or Tableau will generate the reports. Clear? Are you clear? Everyone understood clearly? Did you understand what is the use of Informatica? I given a best example where nowhere you will get it. So this is how our sessions will be there. So did you understand today's session? Is it interesting? Is it understandable? Is my English is interesting? Sorry, is my English is understandable? Is my session is interesting? Are you getting bored in my session? So our next sessions will be like this only. From the next session, we'll directly go to working sessions, no theory. Directly we'll work on it. And interesting. The main thing is interesting. Okay, interesting sessions. Who is a reporting developer? Who are working on Power BI? These are called reporting developer. So this is how we will do the sessions daily basis. So are you liking my sessions, guys? Did you like today's session? Did you get something from today's session?
Thank you so much for your wonderful session, sir. Yeah. Hello, everyone. This is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay. So as sir said, today, there is some special offer is going on, right? So regarding that, to explain all these things, I came here. Okay. So myself, Karthik. Okay. So myself, Karthik, from Raj Cloud Technologies admin team. Sorry, I have some network issue. Okay, so hope everyone can see my screen, right? Can you just confirm me? Can you see my screen? And am I audible? Yeah, okay. So thanks for the confirmation. So this is our website, right? Like razinformatica.com. In this website, you can see our registered numbers, okay? You can see our registered numbers 8105296858. Okay. So if you get a message or a call from these numbers, okay? So this is official Raj Informatica. Okay. And I'll tell you a few of our other numbers as well. Okay. So to call to WhatsApp for the registration, for any doubts, installation issue, like whatever the doubts you have, you can call or WhatsApp us at below numbers 8105296858. Okay. So both call or WhatsApp is available on this number. And and our other number 63616 38108. Okay, so this is also like one of our support number. This is Mega Raj Cloud Tech. You will get it. Okay, Mega Raj Cloud Tech. So this is what you get it in the WhatsApp. Actually, this is our official WhatsApp support number. Okay, this is our official WhatsApp support number, and 8105296858. This work for both call or WhatsApp for the registration. Any help? Okay, for these Raj Informatica, any courses if you want to enroll, any assistance you require. Okay, you can call us on these numbers. You can visit our website for the updated numbers every time. Whatever the number we mentioned here, this will be our official number. Okay, this will be our official number. Okay, and I'll just speak about the timings as well. So these are our few other courses which we have in our institute. Okay, so we provide many trainings. We provide many trainings: Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica Cloud, IICS IDMC, Snowflake, Power BI, AWS DevOps. Okay, so we provide many courses here. So for any courses, you can contact us on these numbers. Okay, and one more thing. So for this only the first session, like we conducted this session at 10 a.m. because we are providing this session for the public. So that is the reason why we took at 10 a.m. actually. Okay, so our general session timings are two batches we have, morning and evening. Okay, you can check here. We have two batches, morning and evening. Morning batch timings are 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. IST, and the evening batch timings are 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. IST. Okay, so you can join either morning or evening batches. Okay, so you can see our reviews as well. Okay, if you can just search for Raj Informatica, you can find this page in Google. Okay, if you can just go to the reviews here, view all Google reviews. If you can just open the Google reviews, see guys, no one can modify these Google reviews. Okay, no one can modify these Google reviews. So out of 5 stars, we have a 4.9 star average rating. Okay, the average is 4.9 star out of 5 stars. We have 1,405 reviews on Google. We have 1,405 reviews. Okay, if you want to see the latest reviews, you can just click on newest here. Okay, so 2 days back also, like we got a review from one of our best student. Okay, you can see here. So this is her review on our trainings. Okay, so she's taking the classes in the 27th batch. It is going to end max, like 2 or 3 classes are pending still. Okay, so she belongs to 27th batch. Okay, so this is her review. You can check out all the reviews here. Okay, you can check out all our reviews. Okay, so on all our courses as well. Okay, so many people provided the reviews here. You can check the reviews as well. Okay, clear? Just a minute. Yeah, so and as I told you, there is some special offer going on. I'll just help you with that now. Okay, I'll just help you with that now. So actual fee for the Informatica PowerCenter. Okay, actual fee for Informatica PowerCenter is 15,000 rupees. 15,000 rupees, 35 to 45 days training. Okay, 35 to 45 days training this is. Okay, so if someone want to enroll today, okay, okay, your course price will be just 13,500 rupees. Okay, your course fee will be just 13,500 rupees if you pay today. I'm just repeating you once again, please. These offers available only for 24 hours from now. Okay, and your fee will be 13,500 rupees. Discount is 1,500 rupees. You are going to get as a discount. Okay. So if you want to go for the partial payment, yes, the partial payment is also available with us. Okay, all payment modes are available. Okay, UPI, bank transfer, net banking, credit card, debit card, EMI, every option is available here. Okay, you can just reach out to us, our numbers for the registration process and all, so that you will get the registration details and what are the payment modes you wanted to go for. All the payment modes are available here. Okay, all the payment modes are available here. Yeah, so and I have a question here. I got a question here. Okay, so the batch is started today itself. Today is the first session. Okay, so the next session will be on Monday. That is 27th of January. Okay, 27th of January, we'll be having the next session. So this Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so we will provide you the installation. Okay, so my team will create you a group. And they'll share the complete details over there. you will get the Google Drive links. Okay, you will get the Google Drive links, and you will get the video as well to install Informatica PowerCenter 10.2.0 and Oracle 11G. These two are the softwares required for us. Okay, these two are the softwares required. So to get the complete installation done, you can contact our team as well. Okay, you can just follow the video. Even if you can just spend 2 hours, okay, you can easily install by yourself. You will come to know, okay, what and all like we are going to install in our system. Okay, so you can understand very easily. You can understand very easily. You can just follow the Raj sir video. Okay, you will receive in the group today. You will receive in the group today, whoever paid the fee already. Okay, so you will be receiving the complete software installation details, video, drive link, software link, everything will be given. If you have any confusion in this, you can just connect us on WhatsApp on these numbers. Okay, for any assistance, you can call us on these numbers 810-529-6858 and 63616-38108. These two are our WhatsApp and calling support numbers. Yeah, Bhargavi, I can see your message. Okay, you can contact our team. They'll help you about like whatever the question you have asked here. Okay, they'll help you about all the upcoming batches as well. You can just call us on these numbers. Yes, we have a batches on monthly basis. For every 35 days, 35 to 45 days, we'll start a batch. Okay, yeah. So just let me know. So if you still have any questions related to installation, okay, related to like registration, related to like any of your career, okay, you can just like ask here. You can just text me in the chat box, please. You can just text me in the chat box. I can help you on that. Yeah, I got a message that like we provide the Informatica cloud trainings as well. Okay, we provide Informatica cloud trainings as well. So the new batch is starting from the next week actually. Okay, so you can just contact us on these numbers. Okay, or else like you just post your number in the chat box. My team will contact you. Yeah, if you have any questions, you can just post in the chat box, please, so that I can help you all. I got a message that like I'm 2015 passed out. I'm 2015 passed out. Yes, you are a mechanical engineer. Yes, even if you're a mechanical engineer, if you want to switch to IT, Informatica PowerCenter is the like a best option to choose. Okay, so see, like if you're having a career gap, if you're having any other non-IT experiences, okay, so whatever the thing, if you want to step into IT, if you want to step into IT, Informatica PowerCenter is the best tool because this is a very easiest tool. Okay, very easiest tool that you can learn here. Okay, so like you can easily learn within 35 to 45 days, and you can easily like apply for the like a 3 to 4 years experience jobs as well. Okay, so how to do that? See, we will help you from complete scratch. Like tell me about yourself question. From tell me about yourself question. How we need to explore yourself. Okay, if you have if you are having any other IT experiences, how to convert that experience into relevant experience. If you are working in non-IT, how to show your experience. If you are having no, if you don't have any experience also, how to showcase the experience and how to move. Okay, on each and everything. Okay, Raj sir will guide you very clearly in the sessions. Okay, Raj sir will guide you very clearly in the sessions. Okay, no need to worry about that. On each and every topic, like how to answer the interview questions also, we will help you. So no need to worry. Okay, so here are few of our interview questions as well. Okay, if you can just visit our website, you will understand clearly. Okay, so we are providing the interview questions. See, these are for everyone. Okay, so this is a whoever can visit this website, they can see this they can see these questions, they can see the material, everything they can see. Okay, yeah, these are the question and answers for Informatica PowerCenter. For Informatica PowerCenters. And we have many questions. We see, we till now we completed 27 batches. So whoever attended the interviews in these 27 batches, these people will be sharing that interview questions with us. We will store each and every document and we will provide to our registered students. Okay, so that it will be very easy for you. See, if you can just like try to clear a 10 company interview questions. Okay, so now I'll be providing you the interview questions company wise. Okay, if you can learn, if you can like just like what kind of questions asked from 10 last 10 like software companies. Okay, so from those companies, like whatever the questions they have asked, at least 10 to 15% questions you can expect in your next interview. Okay, that is the importance of these interview questions. Even now, so whoever joined for this 28th batch, you people also, when you are attending the interview, you will be noting down all the interview questions, okay, after your interview, and you will be sending with us. Okay, so in this way, we are going to help for our future batches as well. Okay, so like you can get the complete end-to-end like training, guidance, interview preparation, resume building, job assistance, everything will be given here. Okay, yes, we will provide the resume also. Okay, we will provide you the direct resume. Just you need to add your personal details and you can directly upload. You can directly upload. Even how to upload the resume in Naukri platform also will show you. We'll show you how to get like more calls. Okay, how to apply for more companies. Okay, how to clear the interviews. On each and everything, you'll get the guidance. Guys, it's all already like 11:40. Okay, we'll wrap up the session. So just like I'll take like 2 to 3 more questions. If you have any, you can just post it here. If you have any questions, you can just post in the chat box, please. You will get each and every recorded session. Okay, for every session we will record. So even the current session also we are recording now. Okay, each and every session we will record and we will upload. Okay, we have a website, right? It is razinformatica.com. In this website you are going to watch the videos as well. I'll just try to show you like how the videos will be also. Just a second. Okay, so once after your full payment, you will get a course like this. Okay, you will get a course like this. So you can see Informatica Power Center Batch 28. Okay, if you can just click on this, you can see Start Learning. Click on Start Learning. Click on Start Learning. You can see here lesson 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 20 to 30. If you can just click on 1 to 10, see these are the sessions we have already. Okay, if I can just click on one session here. Okay, so this is the session, and if you can just click on the download button here, this is a material. Okay, if you can just click on the download button here, it will redirect it to the material, and actually it was not added yet. Okay, so it will be redirected to the materials page, and you can see the material of that particular session. On each and every session we'll be providing the material and the video in this way. Okay, so that you can access it for lifetime. If you enroll once, you can access these videos for lifetime. Okay, clear guys? Clear? I'll just try to show how the materials will be. Okay, just a minute. Okay, see this is a session. There is a materials, there is a download button here. Okay, materials, session 3 materials. If you can just click on the download here, okay, you can see material like this. Okay, we will be giving you all the materials very clearly. Okay, whatever the Rats are teaching, in the sessions, each and everything you will get in the material. Okay, for every session, see, for every session we have a session name. Okay, material, video, everything will be given in this way. You can access this for lifetime. Okay, still any questions? Still any questions? If you have any questions, as I told you, you can contact us at 810-529-6858 or 63616-38108. Yeah, for resume personal guidance, yes, we will give the personal guidance as well, because the resumes will not work for everyone, right? We will take you individual requirement. We will take you individual requirement. Like, see, like if one student is having a 4 years of career gap, for 4 years of career gap, how to build the resume? Okay, we'll be taking 24 hours time, and we'll share your requirement to Raj sir. Raj sir will take 24 hours time, and he will build a resume and he'll share it with you. Okay, so interviews will be online or offline. So it depends on the companies. Like most of the companies, 90% of the companies, okay, they are taking the interviews online only. Not even 90, 95% companies are taking the interviews online only, so no worries. So I can see Karim Basha. Can you just like repeat your question, please? Can you just like copy paste the question that you asked in the chat again, please? Can you just text me in the chat box again, please? Or if you have posted, just copy and paste again, please. Yeah, my team will be adding you. My team will be adding you to the WhatsApp group. No need to worry. So any last question? Any last question? Yeah. So I can see a question here. So like how was the calls on Informatica, Naveen? Yes. See, from last 5 to 6 months, we have very good opportunities going on in the market right now. Okay. From last 6 months. Okay. So not even 6 months, I can say 4 to 5 months. From last 4 to 5 months, we have a very good opportunities going on right now. No need to worry about that. So see, like we have a community of 7,000 plus people community we have, okay? We have a community with 7,000 plus people who got jobs from Raj Informatica previously. So whatever the positions available in their company, they will be posting with us. They will be sharing with Raj sir separately, and we have a alumni community group as well. So that they will be sharing in that group also. So that if someone is okay with that requirement, yes, you can apply. They will refer you as well, but I cannot give you guarantee that like every time they will be having referrals. Okay, that is the reason why, see, like nowadays, if you learn the IACS after the power center, it will be more effective, and you can expect like a very good calls. No need to worry. Okay, and on power center also we have a very good opportunities now. From last 4 months, many students got placed. Even yesterday I have posted. Even yesterday, like my team has posted WhatsApp status about this as well. Okay, so one student got recently placed 2 days back. Okay, so the placements are coming. No need to worry about that. The only one thing is you people need to, just a minute. Yeah, you people need to just practice consistently. That's it. If you people can practice consistently, then for sure you can have a very good opportunities in the market right now. You can easily step into Informatica. Arun, can you please stop? Arun. Yeah. So yeah, Lingraj, you can just like connect me on this WhatsApp number 8105296858. Okay, you just give me a call on this number. Okay, so we'll speak and like we'll give the guidance on this. No worries on this. Okay, no worries on this. Any other questions? Any other questions? If you have any questions, like you can ask me, or else like we'll wind up the session, guys. We'll wind up the session. So we'll be having a project WhatsApp group actually. All the project updates and RAS Cloud Technologies updates will be given to you on WhatsApp number. My team has already posted messages. Like in the chat already. Okay, just share your WhatsApp number. My team will be adding you to the group. It's okay, no problem. Yeah. So any questions? Fine then. Hope everyone is good with this. Okay. So as I told you, if you have any questions, just call me on this number 8105296858. We will help you. For your throughout process. No problem. Okay. Thank you all for joining the session. Thank you so much. Just a minute. I'll show like yesterday we got few reviews as well from the students. Just a minute. I'll show the reviews too. This is a review. Okay, so we got one review yesterday as well. Okay, so this is the way like we'll be providing the trainings. Okay, so the thing is the only one thing that you need to do from your end is you need to practice well. Okay, you need to be consistent. When you are consistent, you can expect very good opportunities. Okay, so just you need to be consistent and you need to work hard. That's it. Even if you have a 2 years gap, 3 years gap, 5 years gap, even see, we have a students who passed out in the year 2010, 2011 and doing some other works in these years. And now they wanted to like switch to IT also. Okay, no worries on that. Like if you have these much career gap, okay, so how to switch to IT and everything, we will guide you. Okay, just call us. At 8105296858. Okay, you can get the complete guidance here. Any other questions? Hope everyone is good with this. Okay, so let's wind up the session. And if you have anything, you can just like we'll wind up the session. If you have any questions, just WhatsApp us. Okay, thank you all. Thank you for joining. Yeah, thank you.
I hope you understood this topic well. Before closing the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also, please browse my rajinformatica.com for all the software courses. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.